All right, this tutorial is to show you how to submit a picture of an assignment in Bright Thinker. Okay, so today's assignment was to complete workbook page 10, take a picture of it and submit it in Bright Thinker. So if you have your phone or whatever device you're taking your photograph of the assignment, okay, so I have an iPhone, I'll show you an iPhone. Okay, parents, you may have to show your child on whichever device you want them taking the picture. For this purpose, I'll just go through with what I have, okay? So I'm going to click on the camera. Okay, it's important that you hold your phone in a way, or your device in a way that you capture the entire page and that it is clear. So once I've taken the picture, you click on the bottom X or square down here. That's the picture that I took. Okay, it's hard for you to see in yours, but it's clear enough where I can read it. I need to be able to clearly see your answers. Okay, then you're going to click on or tap the square with the arrow on it. Okay, it will select the one that I want to send. So I want this picture. Okay, I can send it as a text message, which I don't want to do. Or if you look down here, I'm going to scroll across till I find Gmail because I'm using my Gmail account, which is what students, that's what you have, your responsive ed email account. Okay, so you go to the two, you're going to email it to yourself. So input your own email address, so to yourself, put the subject as what it is, math. You can put WB for workbook, page 10. Okay, so that's going right there in the subject bar, and then you're going to click the blue arrow to send it, and it'll tell you it's sending. Okay, here it's giving me a notification that I just received that in my email. Okay, once you have done that, all right, then you're going to need to go into your computer because it's in your email now. Click on your email, which is your Gmail. Click on your inbox. If it doesn't immediately show up, click the refresh button. Okay. Once your refresh button is there, you will see that you sent yourself an email, math workbook page, and I put of 10. Okay. A picture should show up. Okay. Hopefully you have written all your answers in there. Well, mine doesn't have the answers, so, but yours should. Now there's two different ways you can do this. The way I suggest is if you have a mouse, right click on your mouse and a pop-up box comes up. And there's an option to save image as. Click save image as. Here's your pictures folder on the left. Okay, go up here. I'm going to get this one out of the way. Okay. So you're going to go up here and click new folder, and I want you to create one that says homework. Okay, so write homework. It'll look like this one. Okay, and then you double click on it and it'll send you to here. Okay, then once you're in that, then you click save. It is now saved into that folder. All right. The other way you can do this is when your picture is up in your email, there's a little down arrow and you can download it. You can do that, but it's much easier just to right click. But if you don't have a mouse, you can click on download and it'll download it and you go through the same process. Okay, so now my picture is saved in my computer. Now I need to go to my Bright Thinker. Okay, here's Bright Thinker. This is your student view of it. I'm going to go to Play Math and click on Activities. Find Workbook page 10. This is the assignment tab that I created for you. So you're going to click on that. It is going to pull up this page. It looks like this. Okay, and I gave you directions. Take a picture of it. It needs to be clear enough that I can easily read your answers. It will be graded. Save the picture to your computer. Upload it in this assignment. do not email your work to your teacher. It must be submitted through this activity. Okay, so this assignment activity. This is what it will look like on your screen. It will say this is your submission. It gives you this big box and it says add your comments here. If you needed help with something, say you didn't understand number 5, you can write me a private message here. No one else is going to see it. You can say, Mrs. Waltz, I did not understand number 5. Please help me. And I will see that you are having trouble with number 5. Whatever your message is, you can do that. You can also create a video and you can record yourself on a video asking me a question. When we go to do our poetry recitations, you're going to click here and you're going to record a video of yourself giving your poetry recitation. All that is still right here for you. You can insert pictures, videos, you can record a video, you can just do your audio of you talking to me. Whatever you want to say to me, you can put in here. When you're ready to attach your work, you must click on the plus button, okay? Click on the plus, it says add an attachment. Then you're going to click on attach a file, okay? And it will pop up a box that says attach a file. Well, there's no file name, so you need to click choose. Here's why I asked you to make that homework folder. See over here, there's your pictures. And if you come down, we made a homework folder. So then you can click on your homework folder. Math page 10, click open. And then you can open it and it says math page 10. And then you want to click upload. You click upload, it should come up right here with a paperclip. It means you have now attached your assignment right here into this page. If you did it correctly, underneath of that box, it will say you have successfully submitted this assignment. If this does not pop up or if something went wrong, simply click on resubmit my work, okay? Once you've done this, it's submitted to me. You don't have to do anything else, okay? If you look at the bottom of your screen, there's nothing else down here, no next activity to go to for today. You're done. You can simply click in the blue box and click the back button. It'll ask you. You have saved but not submitted your recent changes to this activity. Okay, so I need to stay here and it says resubmit my work. Now it is submitted. Okay, and I can go back. And I can get out of this. And I will go back to the main page, okay? If you decide, oh man, I forgot that number 22 had 2 rules in it. Well, click on activities, fix your paper, take another picture of it, save it to your computer, go back into here. You can click to remove this picture, and then you can resubmit your new picture, okay? Same process. Until the due date, it will let you do that. All right, so once this is done, then I will be able to see it. Okay, I hope that helps you guys figure out how to send pictures. Tablets most often will have a camera on them to take pictures, and phones have that. Even the webcam on your desktop, like laptop computer, the webcam that you've been using for Zoom calls, they have a way to take a picture. It's just a little bit more frustrating to get a clear picture. Most important thing, guys, is I have to be able to read it. If it is blurry and I can't read it, I can't grade it. So I have to be able to read it. All right. So if I get it and I cannot read it, I'm going to send it back to you and ask you to take another picture. All right. If you need help, ask your parents, because I'm sure your parents know how to send a picture of something in and through the computer by taking a picture with their phone or something. All right, but communicate with me if you're still having trouble figuring out how to do this, and I'll help you through, okay? All right, thanks for watching, guys.